So I want to do a quick review about this tool that I purchased probably about 2 years ago, and I've been using it weekly, almost weekly ever since. And it's a great tool. It's how to remove the inner tie rod. I know your biggest problem is removing the outer. Now, most of the time, I just end up just cutting off the end anyways because it takes 2 minutes, and then just using this tool to remove the inner. But if you don't have that option of cutting, you got the old problem of trying to get these things on, which I just used the combination of an 18-inch pipe wrench and a 10-inch pipe wrench. So that works. I'll rest one on the jack stand while prying up on the other. Actually, this one I had a stand on, but it actually came right off, so no cutting involved. But this tool right here, it's nice. I'll put a link in the description. I bought it off of Amazon. It's got a rotating, you see that gear up there with the teeth on it, and it'll fit that inner perfectly. I have not found one that it hasn't worked on yet. So I know Jeep even has like completely rounded up top, so you'd have to see this one's got the teeth and like the grooves in the back for like that wrench. Well, yeah, Jeeps are actually completely round all the way around. So anyways, yeah, so here's how this tool works. Once you get the outer tie rod off, slide it through. Get it up there. And then it's a 1/2 inch, so I like to use 3 1/2 inch extensions. You don't have to. You can do it with just 1 or 2, but I like to clear the right here. So, outside fender. There we go. So, center your wrench to, you want to go left. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but there you go. Oh, see? That's why it's hard to do it one-handed, but pops it right loose. Anyways, that's how easy this tool is. Not the smoothest video, because again, replacing these with one hand is absolutely terrible. But this eliminates that long wrench you can rent from the auto parts store that you have to go through and tediously fit in those little grooves to try to match up this one. But this one, just put on and turn left.